Welcome to Conscious Discipline for Children with Autism. I'm Dr. Becky Bailey, and I have with me Cheryl Cotter, certified instructor, specialist in autism. She's done a phenomenal job. And Kim Jackson, who specializes in children with special needs. So join us for a 2-day event that's going to cover what? What are we going to talk about, Cheryl?
We're going to be talking about how Conscious Discipline is such a beneficial program for supporting social emotional learning and how it gives kids the understanding of themselves and the environment so they can be successful and have meaning in what they're doing.
And, you know, there's a myth out there that what are we going to do with social emotional learning with children on the spectrum? It's critical. And we make a difference. We show you how to do it, how to improve their lives so they can thrive. So what would the classroom look like, Kim?
So we're going to have workstations set up around the room so that when you leave, you'll know exactly what to do when you go back to your classrooms or to your home.
And we will have Kristen Bellhoff is going to join us. She's a parent, has 3 children with autism. So if you're a parent, she's going to set up and show how to do this in your home and how it's helped her with her own children.
One of the best strategy that you can use in helping somebody with autism is understanding autism, understanding how they see the world and their perception of what's going on, and how we can be a strength-based program to give them the tools that they need so they can be successful. In this training, you will understand autism and how your child or your student sees the world, so you can better decide the strategies and the tools that you can use to create meaning so they can be successful.
So we invite you to join us. We receive a lot of feedback on this workshop as one of our best. So we invite you to join us, whether you're an administrator, a teacher, a parent, OT, PT, speech, anyone who wants to further their own knowledge about how to be of service to our most phenomenal children on the spectrum.